What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, you guys remember Diesel Dan over here?
What's going on?
Diesel Dan got some stuff done to his truck.
Yes, sir.
Now, you guys know, see this rain? I can't catch a break here.
Yeah,
So, this, you guys know I'm against leveling kits, and I mean, they look good. This leveling kit looks very, very good. But I'm gonna show you some problems that I don't like, and I'm gonna let you talk to a Diesel Dan over here about the problems that I knew he was gonna have that he's having with old Duramax over here. We're going to postpone this video for slight rainage going on we got over here. Stay tuned. This will be to be continued. And then I will also show you guys Big Meech's new not Range Rover. What did you get? Navigator. New Lincoln 2018 something. Black Label Navi. I'll show you right over there.
Like a black label. Look at him.
He does look like a big black label. You guys remember Mr. Alcalator? Mr. Alcalator, I see you got the old Ford over there. What's going on, man?
The other one's in the shop.
Uh-oh. Why? How do you have a problem? What's wrong with her?
No, there's no problem. Just kidding. We're just getting the dents pulled out right now.
The dents? Oh.
The dents, remember?
Nice, nice. Okay, no problem. No problemo. Okay, we are back now. The rain has calmed down just a little. Looks like, well, I don't think we got really any sun, but there's still clouds over there. And there's still, oh, it's dark over there. Well, we are here at the Mr. Alcalator's house. So let's continue, shall we? Danny, how you doing, buddy?
Excellent.
What are you smoking? A USB pen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, tell us about Black Magic over here.
Black Magic. Well, Black Magic.
You like that name? I just made that up.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's pretty cool, huh? Oh.
We took it in to the shop yesterday. They've been working on it all day.
Now, real quick, guys. I told him good, congratulations, but I'm not liking what he did.
I'm not liking it either.
And don't get me wrong, truck looks beautiful, looks great, but what he did, and I told him, call me before you do anything, but no, he didn't want to listen. So, go ahead, tell us what you did.
Why do you gotta say it like that? Like you're my dad getting mad at me?
No, just
So
curious.
pay attention right over here. I have maybe an inch before I hit my bump stop, even though I put the new upper control arms in, extended
Tell us what you did first. So you see, guys, right here, he has pretty much no down travel. What did you do to this truck?
It went up probably with the tires.
What did you do? What exactly? Tell me what you did to this truck.
It's a leveling kit.
Okay, so he did a leveling kit. You guys know I'm very against leveling kits, but I'll explain. You go ahead. You did leveling kit. You did the upper control arms cognito.
Extended struts in the front.
Extended shocks in the front.
Yeah, and we changed the wheels to 35s. I believe I was running 32s before.
All right, what are these? The 20 by 10?
Yeah.
20 by 10. What's the offset?
Zero. I actually really like the way the offset turned out. It's sticking out maybe an inch out of the fender wells, and that's kind of what I was going for when I did this.
Not bad. Now, if you guys are wondering why it looks like it's barely sticking out compared to mine, I have 13.5-inch tires. These are 35, 12, 50, 20, correct?
Sure.
So he's got 20 by 10 plus, or no, I'm sorry, a zero offset, 35, 12, 50, 20. And where's the size? I will show you guys the size right there. I don't know if you can read that. 35, 12, 50, 20. And there's Big Meech's new Black Label Navigator. Hey, excuse me. Whoa, what? Where are you going?
Do homework and with my tutor.
Do homework?
Yeah.
All right, you better learn.
Yeah.
You better be smart.
Okay.
Yeah, I like this. Let me know if you guys want a review on Big Meech's old Navigator. I don't know. Do you deserve this, man?
No.
How old are you? 16?
Yeah.
At least he says no. That's
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
At least he knows he doesn't
He's
deserve
honest.
this thing. Yeah. All right. Well, you know what? Congrats, Big Meech. I like it. Looks good. Looks good. I like the Navi. I wish I had one of these when I was 16. Do your homework. Stay in school. Don't do drugs. All right. Back to Diesel Dan's truck. So that's the rim. That is the tire size. And, well, guys, as you guys know, leveling kits I'm not a fan of because, Dan, why don't you tell them how the ride is?
Honestly, it's not bad until I hit a speed bump. Then me and my roof.
Then you're going to make a sunroof.
Yeah. We become one.
Oh, okay. And why he says that, guys, and what he means by that. So, like I said earlier, he has now no down travel. So, when this tire is going down, he has, I mean, you guys see there, my finger maybe, of down travel. So, he smacks that, and he goes flying up into his roof. and it's horrible.
It's an adventure every time I drive it.
Yeah, so I mean, I don't know, guys. Leveling kit, yes, they're good. You know, they're cheap. They're not expensive as a lift kit. But now he is going to start prematurely, you know, wearing stuff out quicker. The angles, you know, of the CV is gonna start wearing that out. So I don't know. Let's we'll see how long this thing lasts. But I gotta admit, you know, it looks good. It does look good. I like all the black. You know, the black looks good. But you know, when you tow now, you get airbags?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, you're gonna need some airbags.
Throw that on the tab, please.
Because here's a problem now, guys. So when he does tow, sometimes he tows his dad's trailer, and that trailer, it's pretty, you know, it's not massive. I think, what is it, 24 feet?
26 with the tongue, I think.
26. So 24-foot box, 20s, I don't know, who knows. But it's not that heavy, but it does squat this a little bit. And now what's going to happen is this thing is no longer going to sit level, because when he puts that trailer on the back of it, and well, they don't stop proper, the steering is not, you know, great on it. So that's why, especially if you guys are towing heavy loads and you do a leveling kit, I suggest you do airbags, because having that squat is horrible. So what kind of leveling kit did you put on the truck? What's the brand?
We went with Cognito.
Cognito's leveling kit.
Yeah, I was originally going to go with Suspension Max. They're based out of Michigan.
Okay.
But the people who were ordering the parts for me, I should have called Dewey, we're having a little bit of an issue getting that kit. So they said, oh, do Cognito. It's going to be the same thing. It is kind of, except for the control arms. If I got the proper ones, I would have had maybe like 2 or 3 inches before I did hit that bump stop.
And you did go with the longer front shock, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so you did the keys, obviously. Mm-hmm. You did shocks, mm-hmm. and you did upper control arms.
Yeah.
Okay. And rims and tires.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And I will show you guys a quick difference, what I mean by room. So you see how much he has right there before he smacks that. And I know some people cut those things off, but you know, I don't know. It's not really necessary, because if you guys notice on my truck over here, this is a 5-inch lift CST. Look how much room I got before I smack that bump stop. So I have down travel. So when I am driving, I'm not going to go through my sunroof, which that's what I told him, and I wish he listened to me before he purchased anything. But
hey, we live and we learn.
This is what happens when you just start to buy stuff and do not listen to me. But you know what? It looks good. We can fix it. We'll fix other shops' mistakes. I've been doing it for years. Nothing new. Don't worry about it. Now let's do a little comparison. I want to compare yours height-wise and compare it to my 5-inch. So yeah, pull it right up there and let's see how it looks. Woo! Look at that cold start. Oh, dang, it's nice and warm back here. Whoa, whoa! That is amazing how quiet these things are. I can't hear anything coming out of here. I only hear everything up front. It's so quiet. It's kind of nice. It's nice and warm back here too. Well, guys, all I can say is, wow. This leveling kit that he's got is maybe, it's a little, as you guys can tell. Yeah, as you guys can tell from the mirrors here. I mean, there is not much of a difference. I would say maybe an inch, which would make sense, because my truck is set to 5 inches. This leveling kit, I have no idea what it's set to. It's just cranked up. But, I mean, if you look at, like, the lights, look at the front end, Danny's looks bigger than mine, believe it or not. Where'd he go? That's crazy.
That's Houdini had, bro. I didn't think it was that high.
Yeah, and he's got 35s. I have 37s.
So that's why you have all that room by your bump stop, though, is because you didn't go overkill on when you did your lift.
Well, I didn't do a leveling kit, though. I did an actual lift kit.
Yeah, I understand. You got a big,
So,
you know, and
yeah, mine is you know.
But yeah, that's why he's got all that extra room, and he's never ever gonna hit his bump stop.
Yeah.
But for me, I'm gonna leave this driveway and I'm gonna bounce out of my truck.
Now, I'm sure everybody wants to know, what did you spend? You don't have to tell anybody if you don't want to. I don't really talk pricing on this channel. If you feel comfortable, you can tell everybody. I am going to let you know there are going to be people commenting and making fun of you. So just, you know.
I'm ready for it, dog.
Okay.
I want to comment back.
Okay.
I'm not proud of it.
And let's take a quick note. So he did rims, tires, upper control arms, Fox shocks, And I noticed you did Fox shocks only in the front.
The rears are coming in soon.
Okay.
For all the people that are gonna talk shit in the comments.
Okay, no problem. Well, hey, you know what? Those are my fans. If they want to talk smack, they can talk smack. This is a smack talking channel and a talking positive channel. So whatever you guys want to talk about, let them rip. Let them have it.
So everything all together, and that's with the tires, the rims, the level,
shocks,
and the
upper control
labor,
arm, or upper
alignments, all that stuff was 4,300.
Oh my god!
Don't drop your camera. Don't drop your camera.
Jeez.
Yeah. So I could have that could have been the lift by itself.
I probably could have done it for you. I don't know, 70% off.
70% off.
Yeah, probably.
Liar.
I mean, I can crunch some numbers up and we can see here.
Crunch those numbers, and if that's correct, I'll jump into that pool right now with all my clothes on.
With all his clothes on. I don't know. That pool is probably 40 degrees, maybe colder.
That's why I said I'll jump in.
Well, guys, I mean, I don't know. Let them have it, guys. And there's, I got a lot of people on this channel that have a lot of intelligence about this stuff. That's the reason why I like to make these videos for you guys, because a lot of you guys have a lot of knowledge out there, way more than me and him, and a lot of you guys teach me stuff. Every time I post a video, you guys let me know something. Eddie, did you know this, or you shouldn't have done this, or GM has this, or whatever it is. So I appreciate your guys' comments, and I continue to want you guys commenting, because I'm not like a diesel king. I don't know everything about these trucks. I just know what this guy did.
I gotta keep throwing me on blast, bro. Okay,
I'm
gonna bring it to you. We're gonna
I just wish he brought it to me. He talked to me. We were having this whole conversation at the desert, and he decided to go behind my back. And well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Now go jump in the pool. It's right over there if you want.
Crunch those numbers first before I jump in. That'll be in the next video, guys.
Okay, no problem. And Mr. Alcalator's truck, if you guys remember his old truck, it is over here. It's still running. He's got it today. He had a couple dents in the new truck, so he just wants to get those fixed. Wow, look how small this thing looks. Oh, this is just a leveling kit.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, he did kind of what I did.
Yeah, he did just a leveling kit. So with they don't have an upper control arm.
Yeah, their setup is different. It's
he's got like a spacer and the shock in there, but this thing still rides very smooth. It's kind of nice. I kind of miss this thing. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should he continue with the old one, or should he continue with his new one?
Absolutely not. You won't miss it if you're going down the highway and every single one of your check engine light comes on and the truck stops working.
Yeah, but I will say this thing seems faster than his new one.
I agree. Yeah,
it's weird.
I've driven both. This one flies.
And also, you guys asked me, Eddie, I get some of you guys tell me, Eddie, you want to do some car reviews, like exotic cars. If you guys still want me to do that, let me know. If you guys want a review on the Rolls Royce, the Ghost, or we can do a review on the new Bentley here, let me know down in the comment sections. I will review these cars for you, show you the insides and stuff, not just trucks. If you guys want me to stick with just the diesels and just the trucks, let me know. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching this video. And if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. And if you enjoyed talking smack about Danny or his truck, continue.
I dare you guys. Every single one of you. All of you.
If there is something that we're missing, and let us know also if there's pros and cons to it. Comment down below. I'm very curious to know that. And well, Danny, is there anything you would like to say?
I love you guys, and I'm gonna clap back if you guys comment on Eddie's videos.
No problem.
Peace.
Yeah.